How do I file returns for back taxes on TurboTax? First thing first, you need to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the website turbotax.com. Once you're in this page, you need to log in or create a new account. Well, if you already used TurboTax for that year, log in with the same email. If not, you may need to create a new account for that specific prior filing year. Make sure you use an email you can access. Once you have been logged into your account, you need to gather your old tax documents. Before you begin, collect all the necessary paperwork for the year you are filing, WTS or 1099s. Any 1099s for mortgage or dues and records of deductions or credits. You will also need the Social Security number, full name, and current address for the return year. Once done, you need to choose the correct tax year. So enter your prior year information. TurboTax will guide you through the familiar interview process. Enter your personal information, input income details like W2S or 1099s. Add deductions and credits. TurboTax will calculate what you owe or any refund you might get for that past year. Once done, review and file before submitting. Double-check all numbers, make sure your Social Security number and address are correct. Confirm your payment or refund method. Then choose File electronically if available, or print and mail if e-file isn't supported for that year. Once done, pay any tax owed. If you owe money for back taxes, TurboTax will show your balance due. You can pay online via IRS Direct Pay, by credit or debit card, or by mail with a check or money order. After that, you will be done. So if this video helped you, like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.